Alright guys, so here's how to change author in Microsoft Word document. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor on the left upper side, which is on the file. So tap on the file, and then from here you need to go to the info option on the left, and then under the author section you will see add an author. You need to just simply move your cursor and tap on this option and name an author that you want to select. So for my case, I'm writing like this, and then hit enter into your keyboard. So tap on the enter button, and then you have it. So here is another author, so it is being selected. So if you want to select this author, you need to tap on this, and then the author will be selected. So if you want to delete any of the authors from here, you can also delete that from here. Simply move your cursor into any of the author and right click on your mouse. All right, and then simply tap on the remove person to remove that author. So that's how you can simply change author in Microsoft Word document. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.